Dear student, welcome to the chemistry class. Now today we will discuss the comparison of acidity of nitrophenols. Okay, phenol रे जदि गोटे NO2 ग्रुप अटैच हबो ताले एटा हे जिवो कोन नाइट्रोफिनॉल. Okay, so नाइट्रोफिनॉल रो acidity उपरे today we will discuss. Listen and see this. Okay, so this is your phenol. And this is your nitrophenol. Okay, this is your ortho position, so it is your ortho nitrophenol. Okay, similarly paranitrophenol ityadi that will come, we will discuss. Okay, student. So this nitro group, NO2 group is what? It is minus R group as well as minus I effect in nature. Okay, this NO2 group ta hoji what a minus R group as well as minus I in nature. Okay, so in nitrophenol, the nitro group may be at ortho position or it may be meta position or it may be in para position. So we will compare the acidity of nitrophenols. Okay, this is your phenol. Okay, this is your orthonitrophenol. Similarly, you see, this is your metanitrophenol. Okay, another one is your paranitrophenol. So we will compare the acidity between phenol, okay, orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol and paranitrophenol. This nitro group is minus R and minus I in nature. Okay, so minus R means it is your electron withdrawing group through resonance and it is also minus I effect in nature. Okay, we will compare the acidity between these four types of alcohol. Sorry, four types of substituted phenol, and this is your phenol. So which one is more acidic or which one is less acidic? Okay, but as NO2 group, okay, as NO2 group is minus R in nature, due to the minus R, due to the negative resonance effect, the electron density at the oxygen atom will be decreased. It will happen in case of paranitrophenol and also in case of orthonitrophenol through resonance. Okay, but in case of metanitrophenol, there is no effect of resonance. Okay, there will be no effect of resonance as it is meta to the with respect to OH, it is in the meta position. If we will draw the resonance structure of metanitrophenol, okay, then there will be no negative charge on this carbon atom. But due to the minus R effect or due to the resonance effect, if we draw the resonance structure, then a negative charge will at this position and also at para position and also at ortho position. So one diagram, okay, we will draw a diagram for suppose for example we are drawing metanitrophenol. You see. This is your metanitro. Okay. So oxygen has lone pair of electron. This will come to this place and this will come to this place. That means the electron, delocalization takes place. Due to delocalization, the oxygen and carbon bond will be double bond and the negative charge will come to this place. Then one structure we can write down. Oxygen will be positive and you see this will be our negative and this is nitrogen. Okay, now this will come, the electron will come to this place and this will delocalize in this direction. So the structures are this bond will be double bond in nature. Suppose this electron comes to this place and this electron can delocalize in this direction. So delocalization is possible. But our aim is that due to the presence of NO2 group, the nitrogen atom attached to this carbon atom, it becomes negative. So that the electron can delocalize in this direction. Okay, student. But if you take the nitro group at meta position, there will be no negative charge. If you draw the structure, then you can know it. Okay, but in case of para position, if we draw the resonance structure, okay, suppose you will draw the resonance structure, it will come to this place, this will come to this place, and okay, this will come to this place, so that this bond can delocalize in this direction. Okay, so in case of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol, the negative charge comes on the carbon atom which is bonded to nitrogen atom. Okay, so that due to the minus R effect, what happens? Now, due to minus R effect, the density of electron at the oxygen atom decreases. Okay, so that deprotonation becomes easier. Okay, but our aim is to we have to discuss कि phenol, paranitrophenol, orthonitrophenol and metanitrophenol bhitare which one is more acidic or less acidic. Okay, suppose I am writing here such a, now you see that all nitrophenols are more acidic than phenol due to minus R effect as well as minus I effect. But in case of metanitrophenol, what will happen? Your minus R effect has minus R effect eti habani, so that it can only minus I effect show karibo. Okay, eti kebala minus I or minus R effect habani, so that negative charge will not be developed in this carbon atom. Okay, student. So all nitrophenols are more acidic than phenol. But now you see, we will compare the acidity between metanitrophenol, orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. So between orthonitro, paranitro and metanitro, এই তিনটা ভিতরে এইটি যেহেতু তোমার মাইনাস আর ইফেক্ট হবনি, তেণু what will happen? This metanitrophenol will be more acidic than phenol. But metanitrophenol ଆଉ orthonitro ଆଉ paranitro ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ହବ ନା orthonitrophenol ଆଉ paranitrophenol will be more acidic than metanitrophenol because of ଏଠି ତମର minus R effect ହଉଛି and minus I effect ହଉଛି, ଏଠି ମଧ୍ୟ minus R effect minus I effect ହଉଛି, ତେଣୁ orthonitrophenol ଆଉ paranitrophenol are more acidic than metanitrophenol. Okay, so puଣି again you see a orthonitrophenol ଆଉ paranitrophenol ଭିତରେ which one will be more acidic in nature. Okay, so far ଏଠି ବି minus R ହଉଛି, ଏଠି ମଧ୍ୟ minus R ହଉଛି, ଏଠି ମଧ୍ୟ minus I ହଉଛି, ଏଠି ମଧ୍ୟ minus I ହଉଛି, ତାହେଲେ ଏ ଦିଟା ଭିତରେ ଜାଣିବା କେମିତି which one will be more acidic than which one is more acidic, whether paranitrophenol is more acidic or orthonitrophenol is more acidic. Okay, so it can be compared. How? Now you see, if you say this is your metanitrophenol, okay, and this is your nitro group. Okay, this is your nitro group. Okay, so at the ortho position, okay, these are ortho to each other. At the ortho position, this is your nitrogen, this is your oxygen, and this is your OH group. So there is chances of, or there will be hydrogen bonding. Okay, in case of orthonitrophenol, hydrogen bonding is possible. In case of orthonitrophenol, hydrogen bonding is possible. Okay, due to the presence of hydrogen bonding, your deprotonation will be slower. Okay, student, nitro group ortho position re thiba jogu O सहित जो H attach heichi, this H and O भितरे कोन हबो गोटे हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हे पारिबो दिस हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड इज योर इंट्रामोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग so due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding in nitrophenol your what will happen deprotonation will be slower or release of proton is not easier as compared to metanitrophenol तेणु फाइनली कौन है ना orthonitrophenol is less acidic than paranitrophenol. Okay, so now we can write down the order. This is your phenol. Phenol is less acidic than metanitrophenol. Metanitrophenol is less acidic than this is your metanitrophenol. Then orthonitrophenol, which is less acidic than paranitrophenol. Okay, so we can speak paranitrophenol is more acidic than orthonitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol is more acidic than metanitrophenol. Metanitrophenol is more acidic than phenol. Or reverse way re koi pariba phenol is less acidic than metanitrophenol, which is less acidic than orthonitrophenol, which is less acidic than paranitrophenol. This is your phenol. This is your metanitrophenol. This is your orthonitrophenol. This is your paranitrophenol. Okay, student. So this is the order of acidity of nitrophenols. Okay, thank you.